Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with my toys again. These are Volcano flow or something. They are not cups. Toys for pouring. From Splash and Color. I will put link to those into the description box, and see they are in 3 sizes. And probably you can do a lot of things with them. But today I decided that I taped this hole because they have a hole, you see, in the middle. And I decided that I will let my paint flow. Hope that I'm kind of in the middle. And I will go for kind of a classic. And I have a little 8 by 8 inch canvas ready, because here will stay a little paint, and I will just try to do kind of a flip cup there. I will just pour some white around here, just for a start. Okay, and as I said, and I will pour some white here, and let's start with some black. And some red. And some gold. And white again. Black again, and red. Maybe I will even rag this at the end, I don't know. Just pour a little more white around. Gold. Black. Let's use this paint. I'll add a little of pearl white here. Let's see what will happen. And some gold again to use this. Okay. We will see what will be in the middle of this. Maybe this pearl white wasn't a good idea. I will just wait a second for these drips to fall, and then I will leave this upper cup to my smaller canvas here. Okay. I just flip it around. Let's see, put this aside a little bit. And now we will see what is underneath here. And I like that design because it looks like a star in the middle. I will just see if I want just to bring this a little more in to the pattern. And I like that it's not centered, because obviously I didn't pour the paints to be in the center, but don't mind here. And don't forget to fix your center, because when you will tilt this or spin this, you know that it will your center will be stretched out, so it has to be nice before you start stretching this. I have gallery wrapped canvas 12 by 12 inch, and I have to spread this a little bit to help my paint flow, and then I will tilt it a little bit and spin. Okay, so just go a little to this side, and a little here, and maybe I will just tilt it, not spin it. Okay, so let's see, let's go a little over here. Just a little bit, not too much. But I think that I have to stretch these lines a little more. I'm not afraid if I will have quite a lot of paint left on my canvas, because I don't have problems with cracking with my pouring medium, so just want to stretch it a little more, just a little more. because I want to have this star as a star of this painting. I will leave it like it is. Probably I overstretched this one, or I should now tilt this part off too, because I tilted all the other parts of this design off, so it kind of bothers me, but I like that design, so I'm not happy that I stretch it as much, but I like it anyway because it has some beautiful patterns and effects there. So I will leave it like it is. So here is a close-up. I wish that I would stop before because I really like the design at the beginning, but I just want to go a little over the edge here and there, and then I overstretch it. But I'm pretty sure that this painting will dry really nice, and obviously this star wants to be the star of this painting, so that's how it is with acrylic pouring with fluid art. Sometimes something just meant to be there. And here is the one that I just blow around paint a little bit, that it was in this cup, you know, a little one, and did some racks and stretch it, so it's not something that I would keep, but this one is kind of interesting. So this is it for today, but I will try this definitely once more and try to keep more of my flower. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!